Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Today I want to explain more about value proposition and customer segment. The name of our cafe is Ngeteh Cafe, which is we provide a variation of coffee, cake and pastry. Value proposition, we serve variety of coffee, cake, such as the most famous in our cafe, Ngeteh Cafe, is espresso, which is we use high quality of espresso, high quality of arabica, americano, latte and more. We also provide a variation of cake and pastry. For example, for pastry we provide such as croissant, lemon tart and cinnamon roll. For cake, we provide tiramisu, red velvet, chocolate indulgent and more. We also concern about customer satisfaction. We target to satisfying all our customer, but mostly we target the student and co-workers around our cafe, Ngeteh Cafe. The key features of our cafe is we use 100% of arabica coffee, and all the products such as cake and pastry we freshly make every day to maintain their hygiene. We also offer cash on delivery for our customer who busy and don't have time to visit our cafe personally. For customer segment, we focus on two classes. The first one is the student who study near our cafe, which is from University Malaysia Kelantan student. The second classes is co-workers who work near our cafe. The archetype is male and female from middle class to upper class, because we also provide the great qualities product which is affordable prices for our customer. Last but not least, we also provide a few facilities for our customers such as parking place, toilet and mini surau.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurifa Afikah binti Yunus, metric number H19A0622. For my part, I will be presenting on the customer relationship and the channel. For customer relationship, our cafe build and maintain a good relationship with our customer by improving our product and service quality in order to satisfy our customer. Ngeteh Cafe communicates with our customer by listening to their feedback. We always welcome the feedback of our customer through our official FB account, where the customer can rate and comment about their experience on our product and services. Next, we also provide the customer loyalty program such as discount voucher, happy hour and coupons. This will enable the customer to enjoy our coffee, pastry and cake with special price. Next, for the channel, this is where Ngeteh Cafe reach out to our customer and promote our product to let them know what our business is offering. This part also explain on how the customer can get our products. So, we use flyers and banners to promote Ngeteh Cafe because these tools are effective and do not require a big cost. We also make use of the social media, as many people are using this platform, and it will be a great platform for marketing purpose. So we will be actively posting about our product and promotions on our FB and Instagram official account, so our customer can follow up with our progress and events. For the customer who want to get our product, they can either walk into our cafe and experience the cozy environment, or they can make an online order and we will deliver right at their doorstep.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Nisa Alis binti Muhammad Rashidi. My metric number is H19A0629. I'm a student in hospitality course. Okay, I will explain the business model canvas, which is revenue stream and key partners. Revenue streams refer to revenue that can be generated from product and service target to select customer segments. For eateries and restaurants, of course, the income of the value offers on the sale of food and beverage. Mechanism is often subject to the price of the raw materials and the size of the food served. Business model canvas has two categories revenue stream, which is income from payments for product and service in a single purchase or transaction. The second is recurring income from a single purchase of a product or service. There are various ways to generate this revenue stream. Among them through asset sales, usage fee, subscription fee, leasing, licensing, brokerage fee, and advertising. For Ngerteh Cafe, the main revenue stream is from the sales of various coffee. The additional revenue stream is from the sale of cake and pastries. Key partnership are the network of suppliers and partners that make the business model work. Companies forge partnership to optimize their business models, reduce risk, or acquire resources. There are 4 types of the key partnership, which is strategic alliance between business entities that are competitors of each other. The second is strategic cooperation between competitors. The third is joint venture JV to book a new business. The fourth is relationship between buyers and suppliers to ensure adequacy of supply. The 3 motivation applying optimization and economy of scale. The second is reduction of risk and uncertainty. The third is acquisition of particular resource and activities. For Ngerteh Cafe, the key partnership is a coffee supplier, which is Aureso Coffee Sdn Bhd, where they supply coffee beans to Ngerteh Cafe. Apart from that, Ngerteh Cafe also has a relationship with a cake supplier, which is Kikuya Cake House. They supply raw materials for cake and pastries.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurmaisara binti Muhammad Noor and my matric number is H198068. Okay, I want to present about key activity. Okay, first, logistic. Okay, logistic is the management of resource of product while in storage and transit. Okay, logistic is the process of ordering, delivery to customer, or transporting inventory to merchants. Okay, the logistic process track the goods in transit and reaches the point of delivery. Then supply chains. The cafe procures raw material directly from suppliers. Okay, our cafe obtains raw material such as roasted coffee beans from Aureso Coffee Sdn Bhd. Aureso Coffee is a one-stop solution for bulk wholesale coffee beans in Malaysia. Okay, their coffee bean supplies use 100% Arabica beans. Our cafe also buys raw material for cake and pastry from Kikuya Cakes suppliers such as flour, custard, egg, vanilla essence, Walmart. Okay, then is key resource. Okay, Ngerteh Cafe also managerial worker, which consists of general manager, administration manager, marketing manager, financial manager, and operation manager. Then financial manager is make daily reporting, analysis target, providing back cafe service such as account payable, collection, and payroll, and monitoring cash flow. So that financial manager manage budget, manage account of Ngeteh Cafe to get the raw material such as roasted cafe beans from Oreso Sendirian Berhad, and raw material for cake and pastry from Kikuya Cake House. And physical facility. Okay, physical facility means the structure and interior surface of a food or eating establishment, including accessories such as soap and towel dispenser, and attachments such as light and heating or air conditioning system vents. Ngeteh Cafe has its own facility such as building or shop that can accommodate also 30 people at a time.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurbila binti Bakri. My metric number is H19A0613. My part is about cost structure. Cost structure is the last element in business model Canva. It gathers the most important costs involved in the whole operation from the outlet. This is the final block. Precisely because we need to have all the previous components already defined so we can estimate the cost of each one. Cost structure refers to the various types of expenses a business incurs and is typically composed of fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs are costs that remain unchanged regardless of the amount of output a company produces, while variable costs change with production volume. For variable costs, we have four, which is raw materials, facilities, kitchen equipment, and marketing costs. First is purchase of raw materials. Our cafe obtains raw materials such as roasted coffee beans from Oreso Coffee Sendirian Berhad. Oreso Coffee is a one-stop solution for bulk wholesale coffee bean in Malaysia. Other than Oreso Coffee, our cafe also buy raw materials for cakes and pastries from other supplier, which is Kikuya Cafe House. Kikuya Cafe House supplies our cafe with flour, custard flour, eggs, vanilla essence, whole meals, whole wheat flour, and others. The cost for raw materials for 6 months is Ringgit Malaysia 68,240.98 cents. Second is material cost. Ngeteh Cafe marketing plan is using advertisements, social media platform which is using Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, and more. We also make a roadside signboards and banner, and we also distribute templates to the public so they know about the existence of Ngeteh Cafe. The cost for marketing is a total of Rm 5,550 for 6 months. The third variable cost is facilities. The facilities cost for 6 months is Rn 8,499.20 cents. The facilities that our cafe have is parking space, toilet, mini surrounds, and many more. The fourth one is kitchen equipment. The cost for kitchen equipment for 6 months is about Rm 306,600. The kitchen equipment include coffee machine, spoon, glass, plates, washing dishes machines, and many more. After that is fixed cost. Fixed cost contain two, which is rent and salary labors. First is salary labors. Ngeteh Cafe has non-managerial employees consisting of 2 chefs, 3 waiters, 4 runners, and a cashier. All these employees have their own tasks and work together to make the job quick and easy. The salary for a month to all the labor is about Rm 19,168.10 cents. Lastly is rent. The rent is RM 3,1800 for a month.